Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली म्हणून. आनी ह्यो जावन आसा आतां हांव तुमकां मसाल्याचो पिठो दाखयता. मीट मसाला. Okay, so today I am going to show you all meat masala powder. Like meat means you can use this for any types of meat, whether it is chicken meat or mutton meat or beef meat or pork meat. So you can use this for meat. So let's start. What we need. We need around 2 tablespoons of chana dal, that is gram lentil chana dal. Then 1 tablespoon of cloves, 2 tablespoons of peppercorn. Again, I will say that if anybody wants less spiciness, then you can reduce this spiciness accordingly. You can use only 1 tablespoon of this, okay? Then this is 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves. Then this is 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Then we need around 40 red chilies, that is a little bit of spicy, and 20 Kashmiri chilies. Then we need 1 big stick of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, alyacho pito, okay. Then we need 2 tablespoons of green cardamom, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, that is soft, 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, few granules of fenugreek seeds, that is methi, star anise flower, that is of 2 masala elaichi, we can say black cardamom or masala elaichi, and this is 1/4 of nutmeg, and this is our cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of salt. तर सगळ्यांनी तुम्ही हे बरोवन घेयात जे हांवें तुमकां सांगलां पळय तें, आनी तुमचे कडेन जे मेजरमेंट आसा ते तुमी उजार करात. जेन्ना हांवें म्हटलें टेबल स्पून, जाल्यार हे आमचे टेबल स्पून आसा. नाजाल्यार तुमच्यान एमेझॉनान जे मेळता पळय टीस्पून आनी टेबल स्पून ते घेवन पूण मेजर करूं येता, आनी हो मसालो तुमच्यान टेबल स्पुनाच्या हिसपान तुमगेर जे आसा पळय त्या प्रमाणे तुमी काडात. So use your measurements of tablespoon which is there in your kitchen cabinets. Okay. So now let's roast this separately, each by each. So each, like chana dal, then cloves, pepper, mustard seed, curry leaves, then our fennel seeds, green cardamom, this is cinnamon stick, turmeric powder, star anise, fenugreek seeds, black cardamom, ginger powder, chilies and coriander. We have to roast all this separately. हे जावन आमकां सगळे सेपरेट रोस्ट करून घेवंक जाय एक वस्त, आनी मागीर ताका थंड जातकूच आमी तेजो पिठो करून घेवया. ओके, चल या आतां करुया, आनी मागीर आमी ताका मिक्सरान घालून वांटून तेचो पिठो करुया, आनी आमचो चिकन हे आमचे मीट मसाला आमचो तयार आसा. So let's start roasting our spices. See that it is on medium flame, and don't burn it. Just roast it so the excess of oil, excess of water will go out, and let it roast nicely, and then we have to grind it. And here is our masala powder ready. Hope you all will enjoy making meat curry at home. Thank you. Dev Bare Guru.